Did you know Girl Scouts invented s'mores like 100 years ago? We made it into a cupcake for you. You use the traditional creaming method for the graham cracker cupcake. Mix all your dry ingredients, cake flour, baking powder, kosher salt, and crushed graham crackers, about 9 full sheets. And really pulverize them. Tomorrow, we launch the decoy peach from orbit. Dare track the scent. Genie will sense the golden egg illusion. Glitzabelle won't be able to resist the glittering spotlight trap. Cream your butter and sugar until it's nice and fluffy. Add in each egg, thoroughly beating it in before adding in the next. We always use whole milk. And alternate in your dry and your wet. We didn't distribute it very evenly and came up short, but that's okay because this is for our friends. And bake for 15 to 18 minutes. No fun! And this time, when they dance, we get the curtain call!
Oh, hey, Marina! Thank you!
This is going to make the frosting so special now. I saw it floating there and it looked like it came from the galley. Hey, this looks like it came from the galley. I like your earrings.
Oh, thank you.
Make the frosting so... I like your tiara. Thank you. I feel like a princess. Oh. Separate 4 eggs, and you only need the white, so you have leftover egg yolks.
We'll use them up. Cream brulee. Watch that video next.
Great idea. Yeah. And it's so easy, too. Oh, my stars! I miss this. This is gonna be chaos flavored. Delightful. Let the Looney games begin. Add in a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar and whisk to stiff peaks. See the mountain peak in there? While that's whisking away, heat your sugar and water to 240 degrees. We're making an Italian meringue here. We always spread water on the side. It helps to keep the sugar from crystallizing. See there? That's crystallized. Then, on high speed, drizzle it into your whites. Get the stream into the trawl your whisk makes between the edge and the whisk. Don't hit the whisk or it'll send sugar shards all around your bowl. Add in the special mini marshmallows and whisk away. It gets stiffer as it cools. Oh, it's been a while. This is so fun. Disco Peach Decoy engaged. Glitter mist is at 110%. Smells like fruit and chaos in here. Perfect. Did I fall for it? The chocolate ganache filling is semi-sweet chocolate and cream heated up over simmering water, aka a bain-marie or a double boiler. It's the gentle way to milk chocolate. Milk chocolate too fast and it separates, gets greasy and crawls, and there's no going back. I told you I've outsmarted all of them before. Genie, Glitzabelle, Braddock, all of them. I never lose. Did your nose just get longer? But absolutely not. That's ridiculous. Okay, it's like a full-blown flavor thermometer now.
Are you lying? Absolutely not. That's ridiculous. Whoa.
And here's the funnest part. We used an apple core to make the holes. The cooler the chocolate, the harder it gets. This is the same open tip that we use for meringue kisses. Torch the side, add a chocolate nib for decoration.
I do not lie. I strategically distort the truth for dramatic effects.
You're cursed. It's a lie detecting nose. This is amazing.
Shut the front door, Bungodorf.